falling off, mainly into the low to mid 60s out there. So a mild night, calm wind. We could see some patchy fog in some areas too. Mainly the inland areas may see fog, especially the Treasure Coast around the lake. We'll probably see the thickest fog there, so keep that in mind. High temperatures after we burn that off, 80 degrees. It's going to be a warm one. Humidity will go up too before we get the cold front in here, and then, well, some natural air conditioning for you after that. So looking at here, these few showers here into the morning hours, but by the afternoon, everything pushes offshore and we should see a lot of sunshine out there. So I've kept some isolated rain chances in the forecast for tomorrow, but for the first half of the day before pulling them out there. It's partly sunny, warm and humid tomorrow. Will be a hot day. Here's the cold front knocking on our door and then moves on through Monday morning. By Monday dinner time, things cooling down very quickly, turning less humid. High pressure settles on in and we stay cool for the rest of the week. A little bit breezy on Tuesday with that northwest wind. So here's high temperatures, 80 on Sunday, and then look at that, we drop it down to just about 70, 71 degrees for Tuesday, and Wednesday equally as chilly. And the muggy meter high tomorrow, but then goes way down here with some dry air entering on in. Boating forecast a lot better. We had that small craft caution today with strong east-southeast wind. Now turns south and dies off. So the seas come down. Rip current threat stays up a little bit, left over a little wave out there, but otherwise things improving along the beachfront too. 76 on Monday should be a nice day. Tuesday, Wednesday will be the coldest 2 days with near 70 for highs, near 50 for lows, and then we'll start a slow warm up going into next weekend.